Hello people, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to show you how to make juice using a juicer. I have cut some navel oranges in here. You can take off the peel, but it doesn't have to be precise. The juicer will do that for you. And I also have some baby carrots. You don't have to cut those because they're naturally tiny. So basically you're going to put them in here and then you can use whatever you want. I'm just going to use this because I'm not going to make that much. So you want to switch it on from here. There will be a switch. Go ahead and take your fruits or vegetable and put it in the hole on the top of the juicer. Then use a black object to smush the fruit or vegetable through the blades. The juice will come out from the other end and into your bowl or cup. I'm using a Black+Decker juicer, and that's how Black+Decker juicers work. But if you have other juicers, then it probably doesn't work the exact same way. Alright, so I am done, and now the next step you need to do is you need to mix it. Because I have two different types of things that I'm using. I'm using oranges and carrots. Some carrots juice is going to be at the bottom, the orange juice is going to be at the top. You want to mix it together so the flavor combines. Now that I've mixed it, I'm just going to pour it into my glass. That looks so good, the orange and the carrot. Now let's taste it. It's so good. It's so healthy, so good, and so easy to make too. You should definitely try this out. Enjoy!